Maya's special conversation. Maya was a girl who loved the world. She loved the buzzing bees, the bright yellow sun, and the way the grass tickled her toes. Every morning, she raced outside to play, her heart full of giggles and jumps. One afternoon, while Maya was building a tall tower of blocks, a beautiful sound drifted through the window. La ilaha illallah, it sang. It was the adhan, the call to prayer. Maya paused for a second, then went right back to her blocks. Maya's grandmother, Amara, heard the sound too. She put down her book and smiled. Amara went to the sink and let the cool water flow over her hands and face. She looked so peaceful, as if the water was washing away all her tiredness. Amara spread out a soft velvet rug on the floor. It was the color of the deep ocean. She stood very still, facing the window. She raised her hands to her ears and whispered softly. The room felt suddenly quiet and magical. Maya watched from the doorway. She held her favorite teddy bear tight. She saw Amara bow down, then kneel, then touch her forehead to the soft rug. Maya wondered, why does she do that? I have so many games to play. I don't want to stop. When Amara finished, she sat on the rug and opened her arms. Maya ran to her and snuggled in. Grandma, Maya asked, why do you stop playing and reading to stand on the rug? It takes so much time. Amara pointed to the window. Maya, do you see the beautiful flowers and the blue sky? God gave us all those gifts. Prayer is like a special thank you conversation. It's a time to tell him we love him and to feel his peace in our hearts. Maya thought about her favorite things. She thought about her delicious strawberries and her warm bed. She realized she had never really said a big thank you for all of them. Her heart began to feel warm, like a tiny candle was lit inside. Can I say thank you too? Maya whispered. Amara smiled and brought out a tiny, soft scarf with pink flowers on it. She gently draped it over Maya's head. Of course, my darling. God loves to hear from you most of all. Side by side, they stood on their rugs. Maya didn't feel like she was missing out on playtime anymore. Instead, she felt like she was part of something beautiful. Thank you for the sunshine, she whispered, and the whole world felt like it was smiling back.